Hi guys, my name is Nikhil and you all are watching Learn with Nick. So guys, I'm back after a very long time with a new video, and this time I'm not alone. I have my friend Mandeep is with me, and I'll be telling you what is the agenda of this video. But just a quick update I wanted to give you all that I have finally completed my masters in human resource and labor relations from TISS Mumbai, and now I'm working as a manager in corporate HR in Alchem Laboratories. And Mandeep is my colleague and my friend. We met at Alchem. He has joined Alchem from IIM Ahmedabad, and in this video we'll be discussing about a little bit about CAT and how you can basically leverage from Mandeep's way of preparation, how he has navigated, how he has attempted the CAT, and how he converted IMA. So Mandeep, why don't you give a short introduction of?
Already told I am Mandeep Singh. So I have completed my BTech from NIT Trichy in computer science and engineering. Then I had 1 year of work in Oracle as a software developer. After that I converted IIM Ahmedabad. So then from in the 2022-24 batch I was part of MBA. After that we both have been colleagues. We have met in Alchem, so
Obviously.
that has been a good journey so far.
Okay, so a first question that arises is like engineering, then MBA, pretty traditional path. So
Yeah.
you first prepared for JEE, which is again we all know a very competitive examination, and then you went through 4 years of undergraduate degree. Then you again decided to give CAT exam. So just from your perspective, how was this transition into? And I've seen people like doing engineering degrees then shifting to coding domain, or then doing MS instead of going to US and other foreign countries. So what made you go into CAT and not follow other streams like pursuing a master's degree or going abroad and anything?
So this was around my third year of BTech. When one of my seniors in computer science, he got a very good job, like a very decent like one of the highest package of my college, but he refused that package and wrote CAT and converted IIM Calcutta. So he went there without any So getting inspired from him, I thought there is something in this in doing MBA which I don't know, but that person is rejecting the package and going there. So then I did online research, learned about what is IMA, what is IMBC and all those. Then how to enter into that. Everything I researched from there. Then I talked to my senior like how easy it is to convert write CAT and then give all the interviews, enter into the college. So after getting all the information, I decided to write CAT and then pursue MBA rather than any other path of going to masters or PhD. Those are also lucrative options, but this is one which I got influenced from one of my seniors.
So if I'm correct, you first completed your engineering, then you worked into a software industry, right?
Yes.
So which company you worked in?
Oracle.
Oracle. And how, what was the time duration for which you worked for in Oracle?
So it was around 11 months from I completed my BTech in 2021, my 21, and then in July I resigned in June 22. So it was around 11 months there.
Okay. And while doing this job, you were preparing for CAT.
Yeah, I was preparing for
So
CAT.
how was this balancing out of preparing for CAT and then also doing a job? What was your way to navigate around these things to keep your preparation on track?
So I got lucky in this manner that my work was work from home for me because COVID was going around. So I got a lot of free time for myself while working in my home. In the morning time I can prepare for the CAT because in the morning we have a greater focus, and then during the evening and night, because I was working with US based team, so mostly in the night I was having my work. So I got pretty much decent time to prepare for the CAT.
So you attempted it first time and converted IMA.
No, it was my second time to do that.
Okay, and how much did you score in your first attempt?
In first attempt it was 95.1 percentile,
Okay.
and then in the second attempt it was 99.4.
99.4.
So it was a huge
Amazing.
shift. Yeah.
So a first attempt you gave, I'm assuming when you were in NIT Trichy final year,
Yeah.
right?
That time.
at that time, and then second with the job. First attempt when you gave, and then second attempt, and you have made a significant improvement in your percentile score. So, what changes did you make? So in these 2 years.
So during the first attempt, I wasn't preparing it in any structured way. I just like saw the questions online, solved them like in a very random way. I didn't follow any book, nothing, no mock test that time. But when my percentile was 95, the second time I decided that I will do it with much more seriousness. So I purchased that Arun Sharma books that are available. Then I gave certain mock tests which were like freely available, and then the most major part was solving previous year questions. So setting out the timer for 2 hours and then solving the questions that actually, the papers that actually came in the last year, that was the best strategy that worked out for me. So the change in how I prepare, that I think I will say that helped me.
Often like जब हम कैट के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सो वी गिव अ फर्स्ट मॉक, राइट? फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड मॉक वी जस्ट गिव इट टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ कि कैसा स्कोर आ रहा है, वेयर आर वी स्टैंडिंग राइट नाउ. सो व्हाट वाज योर इनिशियल इंप्रेशन व्हेन यू सॉल्व प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर? व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सेक्शन? Being an engineer, I can just take an assumption that quants would be very strong section for you. And was it the case, or any other more section where people are, you know, naturally strong? So was there any section which was like a very strong part to you, and some a section where you like struggled a lot?
So I would further divide it into within quant section. Even there were some parts, some topics which were in which I was strong, and some in which I wasn't. And then even in DILR section and the verbal section, there were mostly verbal was not that good. But in the DILR, the logical reasoning part was good. But in the like there are two sets of which involves a lot of mathematical calculation that consumes a lot of time for me. So there is when I was giving mock test online, there was AI based analytics in which they tell which areas you are strong in.
Can you tell which mock test were you attempting?
That was Kraku का free mock test. So
we'll get this video sponsored from Kraku, right?
You can. So उनके mock test solve करते करते उनका AI based analytics था, जहाँ पे वो बता रहे थे कौन सा एरिया में आप strong है, कौन से पे नहीं. There is a proper graph for that. From there I get to know कि अच्छा ये सब topics में I have to work on, and these are where I am good, and I can give a last minute revision on it.
Got it. And also when it comes to mock test, there are different school of thought. Some people are like they want to give as much as mock as they can before the D-Day arrives. Some people just like to stick to mock just for the finding out weakness part and then improving on it. What was your approach? What did you consider an ideal number of mocks that इतना मुझे देना ही है एग्जाम से पहले, या फिर इतना परसेंटाइल मुझे मॉक टेस्ट स्कोर में अटेन करना है? सो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट रिलेटेड टू मॉक टेस्ट्स?
इट वाज द सेकंड पार्ट कि मुझे इतना अटेन करना ही है मॉक टेस्ट में. देयर वाजंट एनी लिमिट कि बस इतने ही देने हैं. जब तक मैं मॉक टेस्ट दे रहा था, लाइक इनिशियली आई स्टार्टेड विद अराउंड 85 परसेंटाइल ऑन द मॉक टेस्ट, देन स्लोली it got increased, and finally even I scored something around 98 to 99 percentile in the mock test, and that time I think it's good. And I also practiced sectional mock test, not only the full mock. There was sectional mock test also. When I got to know कि कौन सा area में मैं weak हूँ, then I gave sectional mock test on it. And from there, when my percentile achieved 98 plus percentile, then I felt कि अच्छा अब ठीक है. Now I will shift to last year papers, जिसमें मैं timer based strategy से solve करने लग पड़ा.
And like often mock tests ideally are meant to give you that mahal that actually mimics how CAT would be like. So but in reality people face sometimes similar environment, या फिर कई बार पूरा उल्टा पड़ जाता है. तो how was your second attempt like? कि जैसा mock में practice किया था वैसा ही था, या फिर कुछ अलग ही हो गया, एंड देन उस समय इम्प्रॉम्प्टू स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करनी पड़ी, या फिर एक कोई स्ट्रैटेजी थी कि ये सेक्शन पहले अटेम्प्ट करना है, इन क्वेश्चंस को पहले टारगेट करना है, एंड वही आपने एग्जाम हॉल में भी किया एंड इट वर्कड आउट वेल?
हाँ, तो मोस्टली एग्ज़ाम प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करना है वो तो जेई टाइम से आई गॉट टू नो कि अच्छा क्या क्या करना है।
अच्छा।
दूसरा मॉक टेस्ट देते देते ये भी समझ आ गया कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस पहले करने हैं। सो ड्यूरिंग द डी डे ऑल्सो आई वेंट थ्रू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इनिशियली कि अच्छा कौन कौन सा ईजी है, एंड द क्वेश्चन विच आई फेल्ट इज़ वेरी ईजी आई कैन अटेम्प्ट देन एंड देयर अटेम्प्टेड इट एंड देन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो मोस्टली वही था कि कैट में एक तो स्पीड चाहिए होती है, दूसरा एक्यूरेसी। तो अगर इफ़ आई एम एबल टू सॉल्व लॉट ऑफ लाइक मोर क्वेश्चंस इन लेस नंबर ऑफ टाइम दैट इज़ बेनिफिशियल। सो गोइंग थ्रू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन वुड बी हेल्पफुल टू नो कि अच्छा मैं किसी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन पे स्टक ना रहूँ, आगे मूव करता रहूँ।
सो इट्स लाइक वन साइकिल यू कंप्लीट ऑफ इजी क्वेश्चंस पूरे 24 25 व्हाटएवर जितने भी रहे एक सेक्शन में,
हाँ
and then you come again and then again you go through the moderate ones which you felt कि इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग सकता है,
हाँ
and then third में which you were really thinking कि इसमें दिमाग लगेगा and maybe ये शायद सॉल्व हो या ना हो,
हाँ,
then you attempted those
थर्ड राउंड
questions.
में तो ऐसा है कि अच्छा जो टाइम लगा के सॉल्व करके रखो कि अच्छा दैट इज़ द एक्स्ट्रा लेयर ऑन व्हाट आई हैव डन ऑलरेडी। सॉल्व हो गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं हुआ तो देन फिर भी ठीक ही है। डिसेंट नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस तो हो ही गए थे उस टाइम।
Right. So any tips, top 3 tips that you want to give to people who have appeared for CAT? So now to that score sheet are out, people would be expecting the result anytime, actual percentile, and now many percentile calculators are also there. But just in case, what should be the mindset now that people have actually attempted CAT and they can see how much they are scoring? So what would ideally you would be doing now if you would have given CAT this year and scores were about to be announced?
So at this time पहले तो I would have joined 2-3 Telegram groups which are provided by coaching like CrackU and all those career launcher.
Right.
पहले तो वो ज्वाइन करके देखता कि अच्छा बाकी लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, वो
कितना
क्या
आ
कर
रहा
रहे हैं।
हमारा कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है?
तो पहले वो गेस लगाता, मैं उसे देखता। दूसरी चीज़ थी कि जब आइडिया लग जाए तो फिर कौन कौन से अपने IIMs हैं जहाँ पे वो कैट स्कोर के थ्रू कॉल आ सकता है।
हाँ.
एंड थर्ड थिंग वुड बी टू देन, मैं उस टाइम मुझे पता नहीं था पर नाउ दैट आई हैव गिवन IIM एंड गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेस, तो जो मेरे लाइक वट आवर अचीवमेंट्स आई हैव डन एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर को करिकुलर उन सबको एक जगह नोट डाउन करके वो रखता है, कलेक्ट करके रखता है, क्योंकि दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द मेजर पार्ट विच हेल्प्स इन गेटिंग द कॉल्स फ्रॉम IIM एंड देन कन्वर्टिंग टू PIs.
So अभी जो एस्पिरेंट्स देख रहे हैं जिन्होंने कैट दे दिया है, the next step immediately that they should jump onto right now is, apart from obviously बाकी सारे एग्जाम्स भी होंगे, स्नैप होगा, आई थिंक NMAT हैं, अदर बी स्कूल एंट्रेंसेस दैट आई डोंट नो उसका टाइमलाइन आई एम नॉट अवेयर, बट आई होप वो भी आई थिंक बचा होगा. सो पैरेलली उनके लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना है, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू ऑल्सो हैव टू build on your interview aspects and extracurriculars. This is what you are suggesting, right?
हाँ एक्स्ट्रा क्योंकि दैट इज इंटरव्यू में वही कुछ काम आएगा, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स को करिकुलर्स वो पहले फॉर्म भी फिल कराते होते हैं जो आपको पता होगा।
So how many calls did you had?
So I filled only the top 6 IIMs and I got call from all the 6. So
And which all colleges के interview were you part of apart from IIM Ahmedabad?
like all the top 6 black eye and
You attended all the interviews.
attended all interviews. Yes.
So what's the like funniest or most unique interview you ever had out of all these 6 IIMs calls that you got? कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा यादगार है and how was it like?
So ये IIM इंदौर का था, like I was not serious about that क्योंकि मेरे दूसरे interviews ठीक जा रहे थे. So IIM इंदौर was almost towards the end of it. तो उसमें I was just casually dressed in my home clothes and didn't even
Online
care.
interview.
Online interview था. I didn't even care to wear formals and just t-shirt and वो सब पहन के बैठा हुआ था. Online call join करी and then बस उसी ड्रेसअप के कारण आई फेल्ट के वो काफ़ी फनीस्ट टाइप का था. इवन द इंटरव्यूअर लाइक द मॉडरेटर दोज आर देयर इन द कॉल सेटअप, दे वर सेइंग अच्छा ठीक है यू वांट टू गिव द इंटरव्यू. सो दैट वाज समथिंग फनी फॉर मी.
So in general, let's start from IIM Ahmedabad interview experience. But so tell me about your IIM Ahmedabad का interview experience. कि क्या what was the selection process entirely like? CAT score का weightage कितना था? WAT any if any? So how was the process?
So like the weightage that you have asked वो अभी मुझे याद नहीं. I think that is available online and they keep on changing maybe year after year. But the selection process was कि पहले as I told form fill करना है उनका, like all the curriculars, co-curriculars, वो then work ex वो सब डालना है. Based on that there would be a cumulative score that would be calculated. Based on which then finally they will call for
इंटरव्यू या फिर रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट?
no, that is common on the same day. Written ability test and PI
Interview.
occurs
So
on the same
okay,
day.
so based on like the CAT percentile and certain 10 12 extracurricular diversity, all the points they give a call
They gave a call
on I think 400 सीट्स हैं कितनी है? 440
हाँ 415
415 15 50
415
415, so almost 3 times
3 times 1700 something
1700 1700 people. तो ये भी ऑनलाइन था या फिर एक्चुअली
this was offline. Offline in the sense I have to go to Delhi and then
सिटीज मेगा सिटीज ऑल
mega
मुंबई दिल्ली?
cities. And then from there the interviewers join on a conference call.
Okay, so they have these hotels and all everything booked, all set up, right?
So that
Where was your Delhi?
Delhi. I went to Delhi. Yeah.
So what was the first process? A direct interview or WAT?
So on that day, first of all there was the WAT. We were a panel of 6 people, and then we were given a topic, the same topic for everyone. We were sitting together. There were around some 20-30 minutes to write on single sheet of paper. That would be around some 200 words on a single topic. WAT happens, and then one by one they were calling for the interview. So everyone who gave the WAT, they were called for the interview. Both of the sections have separate
Acha.
percentage allocated to it.
Understand.
And then PI also like was of different duration for everyone. Someone got free in 30 minutes. Mine went for 45 minutes. And some person there was around 1 hour interview as well.
Can you recall your interview? I know it's like two more than 2 years now, but any instance that you can remember?
Actually, I can give the structure. How was it? Initially, they asked me about the Initially, they asked me about the WAT, like the written ability test that I've written. They asked questions me on that, and then after that, the second part was questions on statistics and probability. Third one was based on my BTech, like computer science, and what all projects that I have done. Like there is final year project on machine learning, all that. They asked me questions on it. Finally, WorkX, and then my hobbies. That's like pretty decent structure that every interview follow. Mine was the same. One thing is, it was around a stress interview. They were asking questions. Okay, why are you don't know about this? You have just completed your BTech and you don't know this question. You don't know that. So they were trying to make me nervous, but I wasn't nervous. I was just smiling throughout the interview. So that worked for me.
That's how you were able to convert it.
Yes. Even on my hobbies, they grilled me a little bit, but then that also went well.
But usually the grilling thing ये जो होता है, it's just to test कि how do you respond to stress situations, right? How do you handle tough questions? How do you manage your composure if given a tough situation, right? This is what it's meant to assess.
Yeah,
so deliberately, even if you are saying something, they might say ki no, this is not like that. You please you tell me again. Oh, you don't know this. I was not asking you this. I was asking you this.
Yeah, that's what they do. Like it's not कि I'm giving the wrong answer or it's not the perfect answer that they're looking for. बस वो थोड़ा होता है कि अच्छा grill करने की तरीके होते हैं that you have told.
So I am Ahmedabad and बाकी colleges हैं, Bangalore है, Kozhikode है, and all the other 6 that you talked about. Was all of the interview were like same or any particular that college that had a different approach to this?
So I didn't give IIM Bangalore interview because there were 2 testimonials required for it, which I couldn't gather from my professors. So apart from that, I've given other interviews. And I can pinpoint कि IIM Calcutta का interview जो था उसमें mathematics, the questions were more advanced in mathematics and probability. बाकी उनका interview ठीक था. And in Lucknow, they were asking more memory based questions.
As in?
As in के suppose I can just give an example कि अच्छा who is the father of computer.
Okay,
Just-
okay.
that's
Just to
just an
test
example.
general knowledge or awareness, your
that
overall
is-
awareness.
हाँ, some memory based.
Okay. So what would you say to people who have now pending, they are waiting for the result? What approach should they do? Again, we have talked about this, and but you have told that you have to prepare for interviews. What would be the ideal way to prepare for these interviews? Now that now that you are saying, it looks like कि maths से question आ जाएगा, general awareness से आ जाएगा, so it becomes very vast. So how do you make work around this area? How do you actually structure your preparation for this interview part?
So struck now that there is a lot of time still
Left.
these people have with them, so I would suggest कि you go through each and every part first of all कि work-ex में क्या क्या करा. If freshers हैं तो उनके लिए नहीं, but जिनका work-ex है what they have done. Then secondly, in their undergraduate degree, what if they have done some projects or what were their interest in during that time, उस पे search करो, उसके बारे में पढ़ो. Then third is the like जो डेली अपनी न्यूज़ आती है, द करंट अफेयर्स जो जो सब चल रहे हैं उनके बारे में डेली न्यूज़ पढ़ते रहो, देखते रहो कि क्या क्या चल रहा है, एंड मेक सम ओपिनियन ऑन इट अबाउट लाइक मेक योर ऑन ओपिनियन ऑन दोज टॉपिक्स. इफ देर इज सम इलेक्शंस गोइंग ऑन देन मेक योर ऑन ओपिनियन कि अच्छा इसमें क्या होना चाहिए था, क्या हुआ, हाउ द रिजल्ट्स बीन. सो गो थ्रू ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स वन बाय वन, एंड देन ऑन द इंटरव्यू डे आपको अगर कुछ नहीं आ रहा, बी ऑनेस्ट विद दैट. आपको जितना भी पता है टेल दैट, एंड वट एवर यू डोंट नो जस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट. दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके थोड़ा टाइम हो चुका है, एटलीस्ट द पर्सन हैव ट्राइड. सो
Right. Also, you know, I have an approach regarding this, and I think we use it pretty well in our MBA, the STAR framework that we have: situation, task, action, and result. I think this thing can also be applied to preparation when you are preparing for interviews, as in when you are looking at your work ex, maybe you can think of a situation, then what was the action that you undertook to like overcome or like complete that situation. Then what ST task, then action is what action did you take for a particular task, and then result, right? So it kinds of forces you to deep delve into what actually I did, and this is what they are looking for, right? They want impact. So this is one approach I used, and I think that it would be very good for if aspirants looked at in this way, because I know reflecting on work experience is a very deep work actually. So if you start preparing, you can very well finish it in 5 minutes कि okay ठीक है, मैंने अपने जॉब में ये किया था, ठीक है ये पूछ लूँगा. बट एक्चुअली सेटिंग मैंने ये किया था, इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या था, what input did I give, and what result did that input achieve. I think if we structure it around that way, that gives more edge for interview. What's your opinion on that?
No, actually that is a very right way to tell that. मैंने वैसे PI के लिए कोई कोचिंग वगैरह ज्वाइन नहीं करी थी, बट एज ए टोल्ड कि पेन लास्ट ईयर भी कैट दिया. सो आई गॉट 2 calls. आई एम लखनऊ एंड इंदौर का. उस टाइम मेरी थोड़ी प्रिपरेशन हुई कि अच्छा PI कैसे जाते हैं. Then during the second attempt also, when I gave PI for the 3 or 4 colleges, during that time मेरा काफ़ी मतलब प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी थी, अच्छा किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. देन अगेन answering those questions again and again, I built up the framework from my own self. But starting से ही अगर impact दिखाना चाह रहे हैं and you want to convert each and every college, so I think the framework that you have told, STAR framework, is very good for that.
Works for them, right? And also while we were preparing for these interviews, and at that time I did not structure it, but again just by looking at what you have done, and then again putting in a question of okay, so I've done that, now what are my learnings from this, what are my learnings from, if you prepare that only, I think that also helps, because I've seen many interviews where they ask, okay, so you did this in your work ex, what was your learning from it. So this is a question which is pretty much common. In fact, yesterday I was also testing. So if you have a write-up, ki I've done this in my entire life, and I'm preparing for MBA, tell me all the potential questions that I can get from it into ChatGPT. It also gives you a list of exhaustive how and I think it should ideally cover I think 70 or 80% of the question that they might ask. Then it will not cover up the follow-up questions, because if they ask you, do you love probability, the ChatGPT is not gonna ask you that. But if you say yes, then they'll be shooting you questions for probability, right?
Yeah, that's
so this is like, I think, more for engineers, mathematics part, but I think this can also be a way. So
yeah, right. I agree to it.
right. So yeah, this is about interview preparation. Then if you can tell our people your life at IMA, what is IMA like, what was your experience, कितने घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं सब वहाँ, कितना पैकेज लग रहा है, पैसे ही पैसे मिल रहे हैं.
वैसे सब तो न्यूज़ में तो चल रहा है, उस पे बेस पे आई कैन से कि हाँ ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज़ ट्रू. मैंने भी ज्वाइन करने से पहले काफ़ी क्योरा के क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स पढ़े, इधर उधर पता चला कि अच्छा हेक्टिक लाइफ होती है. इट एक्चुअली वाज the first 6 months at IMA was very hectic for me, क्योंकि उसी टाइम समर इंटर्नशिप की प्रिपरेशन करनी है, नया नया इन्वायरमेंट आता है पढ़ने का, एंड देन ऑल दोज प्री रीड्स एवरीथिंग.
And then they say that and deadline submissions 12:30 p.m. night में होती है.
Deadlines are
and then
sacrosanct.
either you sacrifice your study, or you sacrifice your sleep, or sacrifice your grade. So all of these we keep on hearing, like now I've been also part of this side of, I've done my MBA. I know all of this is present, but sometimes it does depends on how you are able to navigate to the situation. Of course, in the first semester or first 2-3 months it's difficult, but if you kind of work around a way around it, then it becomes really manageable. And I think precisely this is what the college wants to teach us, to basically how you manage n number of things, how you organize things, and once you learn that, I think your half MBA is done.
Yeah, so like there are 3 things: sleep, academics, and social life. You can only prioritize 2 of them, and third one you have to give up. And I think most of the people prioritize academics and social life, and they let their sleep go off.
सोने के लिए जिंदगी है.
हाँ, और मैंने देखा है लोग बस 3-4 घंटे सो के दें बिना सोए हुए भी क्लासेस पूरी रात पार्टी करेंगे, देन गो टू द क्लासेस, वो सब होता है. So
Right.
I think that is what college life is meant for, being like लोगों से मिलो, networking करो, social life enjoy करो, because after these 2 years of college बाद में ये सब इतना नहीं हो मिलता. So that was also my life, or also academics के through, like everyone around me was studying, so I get intrinsic motivation to study by myself also. So that depends on environment. सभी पढ़ रहे हैं तो मैं भी पढ़ूंगा ही. अब मजे तो कर नहीं सकता, किसके साथ करूंगा वो भी.
So any like particular aspiration you had, कितना GPA लाना है, इतना I have to maintain, top करना है, ऐसा कुछ aspiration, या फिर best package लेके जाना है? One thing तो I have realized is that कि there is no way you can aim for the highest package, right?
हाँ,
You can't actually aim. So the best you can do is you can maintain a decent GPA so that you get shortlist for all the companies, and then it's all about you play to your strengths or what the actually organization wants and how the interview works out for you.
Again the same thing, selection in the final companies also depend on the test and interviews, but you rightly said that कि जो चीज़ हमारे कंट्रोल में, GPA हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, अपने केस कॉम्पिटिशन्स कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, अपना प्रेपरेशन को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, that we do well. और मेरा एम था कि 3+ CGPA रखना है, and I got a good, like pretty good than that.
You can share if it's good.
No, it's good, but I won't share. So I had a good GPA, and then case competitions में part लिया था. That is what I can control. I did that, and then finally जो interview day पे होना था, that also works out कि ठीक है, and now I'm in Alchem. So
I'm sure कि people who are watching us, they might be deriving some insights from it. So yeah, I think that's for today's video. I think we'll just stop it right here. Any more thing you want to share with the people who are preparing for exams, who want to come into MBA, who are fascinated by the corporate job life? If you want to say anything, people who are engineers like you wanting to come into MBA, anything you want to share? Concluding thoughts.
I would say कि तुमने कैट की तैयारी करने में काफ़ी अपना टाइम निकाल दिया. Someone would have prepared for 6 months, 4 months, तो अभी थोड़ा सा एंजॉय करो, साथ साथ अपने इंटरव्यूज़ की तैयारी करते रहो, वो तो है ही, थोड़ा सा इंजॉय करो, बट आई थिंक नोइंग कि व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग विल आल्सो हेल्प. जो टेलीग्राम के चैनल मैंने ज्वाइन करे थे, आई थिंक दैट
just
वाज
to
द बेस्ट
keep or
पार्ट.
check what people are,
हाँ.
how are they preparing, and not to get too relaxed,
हाँ,
right?
टू रिलैक्स. वही लोग जब पता चलेगा अच्छा हमारे डायरेक्ट कॉम्पिटिटर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, तो उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा पता चलता है कि अच्छा व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. बाकी तो ठीक है.
Right. So
मेजर पार्ट इज डन, कैट इज डन. नाउ द कॉल्स डिपेंड ऑन द कॉलेज. जैसे ही आएगा इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन तो हो ही जानी है फिर.
okay, so thank you Mandeep for sharing all of these insights. So often so we'll do some more sessions if people would want ki preparation specific, interview specific, if we can, if we have enough time after office.
Yeah,
So we'll do more sessions like this, but I hope you guys might find this valuable, guys. So it's my first podcast kind of thing, and I'm really happy to have such a wonderful person to start the podcast thing with. So thanks.
you.
Thanks
Thank you
Mandeep.
so much for
Okay, that's it, guys. I'll see you all in my next video, and do let me know if you want any more content or topics on which, if you want anything related to I am life, how and any questions on career work, you shoot me. If I will be able to, I'll tell you. Okay, bye bye.